bá ti tán kó fún wọn lówó. Oṣù máa parí mo fẹ́ gbowó mi. Saamu Alajo. Saamu Alajo. Máa gbó owó mi. Wọ́n fẹ́ fowó ṣe nǹkan rere ní fún wọn ní owó.
Orúkọ tèmi ni Ọlárẹ̀wájú Adémọ́lá, popularly known as Jikoto. If I could count, but which mo lè kà, mo ti ṣe nothing less than 60% out of 100. Wow. OFP jẹ́ school of art tó jẹ́ pé kò sí ni tí ò bá mọ nǹkan kan ṣe tó bá débẹ̀ wà á mọ nǹkan tó máa ṣe. At the same time, experience mi jẹ́ nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé tẹ́lẹ̀ mo kì í interact with people like right from my childhood mo máa always were alone playing with toys, but ìgbà tí mo join OFP, I think my boss taught us how to mingle with people and interact with everybody based on we are all from different backgrounds. And thank God for today, I can be able to flow with everybody.
What a feeling. Babe, tó máa sọ̀rọ̀ pé obìnrin fine, you are beautiful. Tó máa sọ̀rọ̀ pé obìnrin sexy, you are there. Tó máa sọ̀rọ̀ pé obìnrin ní structure àti wájú àtẹ̀yìn ó wà okay. Wọ́n ṣe irú yín báyìí lẹ́ máa gbọ́ wọn yín sókè lẹ́ máa ná ọkùnrin. Irú yín báyìí lọ́ máa fi ń ṣépè fún àwọn obìnrin míì. Ní pé wo bí wọ́n ṣe fine, wo bí wọ́n ṣe ugly.
Ó yá wèrè. Bí olórí burúkú ni ẹni. Àbí máa wọ kò sí tí mo fẹ́, àbí máa wọ wèrè. Ọwọ́ sí ibẹ̀ wọ́n parí ọ̀rọ̀. Ó wá dé ibẹ̀, ó examine obìnrin. Ó wò látòkè délẹ̀, débi pé orí pé níwájú ó lẹ́yìn. Jọ kí ló ní tí mi ò ní? Kí ló sexy lára tí ó sexy lára mi? Àbújá wèrè ni ẹbí.
Ayé sọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan, à ń bá wọn parí nǹkan pé báwọn obìnrin ṣe ń ná ọkùnrin. Ó tún gbá mi létí.
Nígbà tó fọpọ́ lọ sí nǹkan.
Ṣé wọ́n òkè ni?
Ṣé wọ́n òkè ni? Ẹgbà mi. Jẹ́ kí pa. Ẹ má pa ẹ̀bùn náà.
Ilé Saamu drama house ni. Ibẹ̀ la ti ń rí àwọn tó nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wọn, tó dẹ̀ máa rò bí pé wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wọn. And meanwhile, Bra Saamu all love everybody in that house. But due to àwọn nǹkan tó máa ń ṣe, a máa rò bí gbà, bọ̀dá yìí ò ní wàhálà ni. But at the end of it, a máa rí pé òótọ́ ni bọ̀dá yìí ń sọ. Ambassador Dúládé Adékọ́lá, ó jẹ́ èèyàn kan tó jẹ́ pé mo fẹ́ wọ́n fi èèyàn wéyàn, but máa ń fi èèyàn kan wé wọn tó jẹ́ coach ní Arsenal tó máa ń pè ní Arsene Wenger. Kò kí ń wá pé òun lọ ń fowó pé àwọn stars kan kó wá play ní team ẹ̀. Ó máa wọ́ àwọn nobody ní pé òkè ẹ máa bọ̀ kẹ́yìn náà wá di star. Ó dẹ̀ máa bridge wá pé òkè o ibi tí òde táwọn èèyàn wọn rò pé o lè débẹ̀ wọ́n máa mú ẹ débẹ̀. Tó bá tún panic pé kí ni ṣé mo lè ṣe ṣá, wọ́n máa pè pé wá ó lè ṣe. Àwọn tó ń wo lókè yẹn bó ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ nìyẹn. My favorite episode is episode 38, which is Olùgbàlà, when my boss called me Jikoto. I was wondering pé kí ló jẹ́ Jikoto, not knowing that ojú mi wọnú díẹ̀.
Bra Saamu, ẹ wo, mo ti wádìí káàkiri gbogbo àdúgbò. Mo dẹ̀ ti mọ̀ pé ẹ jù gbogbo wa lọ nínú ilé yìí. Bó kí ló dé tẹ́ fẹ́ràn kẹ́ máa ní wá lára?
Jikoto.
Kí ló Jikoto lára mi báyìí?
Àmíràn lé ẹ̀fọ́ ni. Tí míràn ẹ bá fọ́ òde lọ́wọ́ kékeré kó máa yẹ̀ wò. Ìwọ òròjú ẹ̀ ni òròjú ẹ̀ wá tó kù.
Even in the next 2 years, there are often sọ̀rọ̀ wa all over the world already. But mo fẹ́ kí OFP jẹ́ school of art tó yẹ pé àwọn èèyàn máa wá láti abroad ní pé school of art yìí mo fẹ́ wà because kò sẹ́ni tó débẹ̀ tí ò ṣoríire.
I'm Olusegun Omolewa Ezekiel, popularly called Baba Giga. I joined OAFP on the 15th of January 2020. I'm still a trainee. To the glory of God, since I've joined OAFP, the group has been so awesome, wonderful, and they have impacted a lot of experience in me, which I've gained a lot from it. Wow, that's one of the big question too. One of my negative challenges so far has been the timing, at times the distance where I come from, and altogether, this is a job that we cannot joke with, we cannot play with, and despite all those excuses, it's not really tenable, most especially the presence of daddy here. And well, I try to make sure that I balance everything all together, even including my job, my personal job. And to the glory of God, everything has been aligned.
No! Baba Giga.
Yeah! You're looking more handsome, man.
Baba Giga, are you serious?
Honestly speaking.
Are you serious? I'm looking nice, right?
You're looking sweet, man.
Are you sure I'm looking tantalizer?
Honestly speaking.
Are you sure? Oh, you know what, Baba Giga?
Yeah.
Baba Giga.
Yeah, bro.
You know this is not my lifestyle. You know I always put on suspender. You know I always put on the t-shirt. You know I always put on the bagging shirt.
Exactly, bro.
And I will put on this shirt.
Yes.
It is where I was coming from.
Wow.
How she changed to my normal style.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
That's cool.
That's it.
You're looking good, bro. In fact, when I heard of it, when I go back to my base, I was like, this is a great platform from every one of us. And I discovered that Daddy really wanted this to showcase every members of OAFP. He's giving us a platform whereby we can easily express ourselves, then bring out the professionalism in us in the movie industry as a whole. And this concept is all about, bringing out, making us to understand the philosophy of life. I think that is what I've learned so far. Amazingly, I just featured the 7th one recently, and it has not been so palatable to me. And nobody is perfect, and due to some itches, just like the question you asked me the other time, that some negative challenges, which has limited me to participate well in Saamu Alajo series. But I still give God the glory for the number of episodes that have appeared, that have featured, by the grace of God. God still help our daddy, Ambassador Odulade Adekola, to bring out some things from me. Wow. I can tell you, Tiban Kima Express, Ulagwaragon. The very first episode Timothy appeared, that was episode 87. By the time I get back home, the messages, the calls, that, Shegun, so you have this quality in you. You have this grace in you. I said, well, glory be to God, and thanks to my father in the industry who has discovered me and who is trying to bring out something good from me. It has added a lot of respect, decorum to my life. In Abeokuta, all over the world, I see people, even at my own base in Ekiti, Ado Ekiti. God has been so wonderful. and I give God the glory, and I thank my daddy, Ambassador Odunlade Adekola, for this great job that he has done on me.
Sam, you're welcome.
How are you? What is going on? Kilo Shele?
Well, somebody just brought your ship, some goodies, bags, shoes, wristwatches,
Hey!
They brought her shoe.
Yeah.
Shoes.
Yes.
Bags. Clothes.
Roll-ons.
Perfume.
Body spray. Everything.
Wristwatch.
Wristwatches.
Inside one nylon.
Inside the nylon.
Hey! Ẹjọ́, ṣé àti ní wàhálà nulẹ̀ ìbáyìí?
Àti padà ní problem.
Ẹjọ́ mo lẹ ti rá mẹ́bọ.
Ẹ wo ẹ̀rọ gangan ni o. Ẹ wo wèrè gangan nulẹ̀ ni. Ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé ayé kò tó ẹranko wà tó jẹ́ yẹ. Ayé kò tó èèyàn wà òun rè èmi ni mo dìídì mú wá sínú bí. Ayé kò tó ní tìyí ti bá yín nulẹ̀.
Wow, that's awesome. In the next 5 years, to the glory of God, we are already known all over the world. But my prayer is that I want us to go, outside the shores of Nigeria in terms of even having our own, probably satellite campuses around the state, around the neighboring states, in Africa, in other continents as well. You see, that is called enlargement. That is called progress. And I pray for that. In the next 5 years, I want to see OFP in that state. Wow. Well, let me start from the cast. I want to say well done to us. And this is just the beginning. And I want us to put more effort in case we have subsequent series. I just want to assure us that here in this OFP that we have a good platform, and I want to encourage us to put all our effort, all our strength in order to achieve more in this movie industry at large. And to the viewers at home, I just want you to keep supporting us, keep praying for us, keep watching our movies. Episode and even the full movies, keep watching it and keep commenting, keep advising us. Emma pè wá, Emma sọ, Emma gbà wá níyànjú, because àwa ò ríra wa, ẹ̀yin lẹ ń rí wa. So we are expecting a lot of feedbacks from you at home. Thank you very much.
Gbogbo rẹ̀ dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí dùn iṣẹ́ òye kó pè wá.
Kí ni tẹ́ ń wá gọ̀gọ̀ ẹ sọ fún mi? Kí ni tẹ́ ń wá ẹ̀pọ̀rọ̀ sọ?
Àánú tẹ̀lé kájọ mọ́ kọrin papọ̀.
Orí yín rùn.
Kò Sàámú, Bọ̀dágàní.
Èmi ò lè sọ o, torí Bọ̀dágàní bá ti rún ìwọ wèrè tó tẹ̀lé wọn kọ́. Gúrùpù wo lẹ fẹ́ jọ ìṣẹ́yìn múrin kọ ni?
Sàámú, orin ìṣóòlé ìyá kò lè gbè.
Orin òkú náà kàn bí wèrè. Orin wo mo létí ẹ̀yìn kò gbé. Ẹ gbọ́! Èmi ò ní tàyànnù láyé mi lóòótọ́. Èmi ò dẹ̀ neglect yín pé kì í ṣọ̀rẹ́ mi. Mi ò sọ wípé kì í ṣe bí mi, àmọ́ tẹ́ ẹ bá máa join group yìí àwọn ọmọ méjèèjì èmi fúnra ara mi ni mo lọ pè wọ́n tẹ́yìn bá fẹ́ join mi ẹ máa gba fọ́ọ̀mù ni tẹ́ ẹ bá dẹ̀ ń bọ̀ kò yé yín ẹ máa ra màálùú kan garawa epo kan garawa òróró kan ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́ lọ́ra góbẹ́ẹ̀gì kírètì 10 mi nídìí owó yín ẹ ṣá lọ kó yẹn wá ó ti tán tẹ́ ẹ bá ti kó yẹn dé kò sí wàhálà tẹ́ ẹ bá ní tó bá bíjà láyà yín dà ní mo sọ next time kí n wà lóde eré kẹ́ ẹ tún wá blọọkì mi mọ́lẹ̀ ẹ rí bàbá nǹkan tí màá fi hàn yín ẹ rí.
Àwa mọ̀ ní.
Ok. Ire ńlá lónìí ire ńlá lónìí ire ńlá lónìí ire.
Sàámú jọ.
Ayọ̀ ńlá lónìí ayọ̀ ńlá lónìí ayọ̀ ńlá lónìí o ire kó bá mi.
Sàámú jọ dákun.
Ire ńlá. Ṣé gbégbé rẹ̀ ní Bọ̀dágàní? Ṣé lórí tí mo kọ́ tó.
Abdulgani lórúkọ mi, Ẹdúnjọbí lórúkọ bàbá tó bí mi lọ́mọ. Àwọn èèyàn máa pè mí ní Bọ̀dágàní. Ọlọ́run bá ní ọba tó ní ipò, àmọ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìránṣẹ́ ní OAFP, coordinator náà fi wá sí. Ìbéèrè ńlá lẹ béèrè o. Nígbà tí àwa dé sábẹ́òkúta àwa ń wáṣẹ́ ní 1996 ambassador Ọdúnládé Adékọ́lá àwọn tí ń ṣiṣẹ́ nílé iṣẹ́ kan àwa débẹ̀ àwọn wáṣẹ́ ẹnu géètì náà ti máa ń mú ẹni bá fẹ́ wọlé ambassador Ọdúnládé Adékọ́lá àwọn ni ẹni tó wá mú mi ní ẹnu géètì pé ta ló ń jẹ́ Abdulgani Ẹ̀dújọbí àwọn náà wá mú mi wọlé náà gba ilé iṣẹ́ yẹn gbà yẹn. Ìbáṣepọ̀ tó nípọn ni o ìbáṣepọ̀ tó nípọn torí ta bá ní ká máa sọ látòní àní dákẹ́ o àmọ́ mo rí ambassador Ọdúnládé Adékọ́lá àti ìdílé wọn bíi ẹni tó máa ń kó èèyàn mọ́ra tí ò ń ṣe ẹni tó ń tàyàn nù torí pé látìgbà tèmi àti wọn ti lọ wà mo ò fi ijọ́ kan ronú pé kí ló mú mi mọ arákùnrin èmi tẹ́ ẹ rí yìí onínú fùfù ni mí o mo máa ń bínú gan àmọ́ nígbà tí mo ti mọ Ọdúnládé Adékọ́lá níbi iṣẹ́ tí mo ní àti pàdé ó gba púpọ̀ lọ́wọ́ mi ẹ má jẹ́ ká tanra wa nígbà kan èmi a máa mu sìgá àmọ́ ọjọ́ kan wá pè mí jókòó pé kí ni géènì tẹ́ ń rí inú kí ni tẹ́ ń mú tí ẹ máa fi disturb torí bí ta ti ń ṣe yẹn àjọ máa wà face to face ni èmi lè máa light àwọn ọ̀dẹ̀ mú ìgbà tí wàásù yẹn ṣáà wọrí mi mo wò pé ó dàbẹ̀ ní pé arákùnrin mọ ohun tó ń sọ láti bẹ̀ lọ mo fi nǹkan yẹn lẹ̀ pátápátá torí pé so many things ni wọ́n gbà lọ́wọ́ mi sẹ́mi náà mọ̀ pé gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tí mo fi lẹ̀ yìí ó dàbẹ̀ ní pé ó ṣe mí láǹfààní bí mo ṣe fi lẹ̀ ọ̀gá wa kan wà ń gbà yẹn léṣẹ́ tọ́gá yẹn bá ti sọ̀rọ̀ wùrù máa bú tó bá ti náà mórúkọ mi lọ́dọ̀ òyìnbó máa tó lọ bá wọn gbọ́dọ̀ ọdún ẹ bá ń bẹ ọ̀gá yìí mo wá máa ń ṣe jẹ́ kọ́ wá ní ẹ wá so ẹ mọ̀ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ń ṣe ò dáa last one ní tẹ́ bá tún ti ṣe tá a wá fi kó òǹbí iṣẹ́ yẹn ọlọ́run jẹ́ kírú ẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ èèyàn gidi ni wọ́n.
Saamu skendo wèrè ní ìní kí lè ṣe bí àwáṣẹ́wá ẹ wáṣẹ́wá ẹ lè ríṣẹ́ God will punish your ass ẹ̀yin wáṣẹ́wá ẹni yẹn ti jẹ fún ara wọn àbí ẹ̀rí ajá ló máa jẹ̀dí.
ó yẹ fi jẹ́ ibì kan tó ṣe fara sí ìwọ tó bá wò pé bóyá bá kan kíníkan irọ́ ni kò ní fún ìgbà kan bọ̀ kan ní ó máa sọ fún ẹni àfi tó bá fẹ́ ṣe lọ́hùn. èmi àti Sàámú ọ̀rẹ́ tímọ́tímọ́ ni wá o ọ̀rẹ́ tímọ́tímọ́ aro mẹ́ta náà wà yìí kì í dọ́bẹ̀ nù èmi Sàámú àti skendo ọ̀rẹ́ ni wá. ṣe rí àwọn olólùfẹ́ wa tó wà nílé àwọn ni ká yìn wọ́n torí pé tí ò bá sá wọn kò sá wa bá a ṣe ń ṣe tí wọ́n bá bá wa wò kò sí ní ká máa ṣe àdúrà mi sí àwọn èèyàn wa tó jẹ́ olólùfẹ́ Saamu Alajo àti àwọn tó sì fi darapọ̀ mọ́ náà ní pé ibi tẹ́ ẹ ti ń mówó àgbà náà ò ní wọbẹ̀ nípa ti àwọn òṣèré àti àwọn agbátẹrù ẹ̀ tèmi náà jẹ́ kan nù wọn iṣẹ́ gidi là ń ṣe especially lórí director wa torí pé tó bá ti fún wọn ní nǹkan fẹ́ wọn ní fi ẹlẹ̀ tó lè yẹ pé iṣẹ́ gidi a ò pé ṣebí series là ń yà wọn ò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n yà pé a fẹ́ ya sinimá gangan náà la ṣe ń yà so gbogbo wọn àtàgbátẹrù àti àwọn òṣèré tó wà ńbẹ̀ gbogbo wa náà ni mo kí pé àṣedélẹ̀ lérí lágbára Ọlọ́run ọba.
àwòdà tún.
bàbá o.
ọ̀sẹ̀ ìtura gẹ́ẹ̀nì. mo jayé o. guys let's go. odò ní ṣẹ̀wẹ̀lẹ̀ tú.
ṣẹ̀wẹ̀lẹ̀.
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 oṣù bàtàn mo fẹ́ gbowó mi tán kó fún wọn lówó.
The point is ètò ṣe yìí mo gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ kó mọ̀ mo ní láti treat fọ́kọ bọ̀dá Sàámú ni.
Exactly, ó ní láti treat fuck up wọn nítorí wàhálà bọ̀dá yìí ti pọ̀ jù. Ó ti pọ̀ jù ládùúgbò. See, if you don't treat his fuck up now, next time ó máa ṣe something worse than this.
You are right. Guy. You know wetin you go do. Ẹni tó sọ pé orílẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀ tó ń lọ, I'm very sure pé màá ti lọ tán. Wàá bá mi lọ sínú ilé ìsìn bóyá o máa rẹ́ lómi. Tí ò bá sẹ́yìn, èmi á lè wọlé máa lọ sí yàrá bọ̀dá Sàámú torí mi mọ̀ bí tó ń fi kíìsì. Àgbà ni bọ̀dá yìí. Olóore ìsọnù ni wọ́n. Yes. Irú wọn dẹ̀ pọ̀ ń gbòòrò. Tó jẹ́ wípé tán bá ti ṣoore fún èèyàn báyìí, àfi kán jókòó tì í. Wọn ò ní lọ́bì kankan, wọ́n á máa béèrè return. Wọ́n á sọ ẹni tó ṣe lórí yẹn, wọ́n á sọ di àpótí. Àwọn á wá jókòó lé lórí, wọ́n á sọra wọn di Ọlọ́run. Okay, I am Moses Temitope Akinremi, also known as Moclean and well known as Dotun. You already know what this nigga is. The one guy from the West Hood. If you ain't got nothing to say, nigga, just move. The one boy from Mississippi and the one guy from Tennessee. Chee! That name, Dotun, really helped me. It paved way in so many ways. Generally speaking, when that name came to limelight, so maybe when I walk in the streets and they call Dotun, at first, I will be like, okay, maybe there's another person. But then, I discovered I'm the only person. So whenever I hear Dotun, it's always like, you know, when you are over happy, then you are now shy, mixed together. I joined OFP in the year 2020. Yeah, I'm still a trainee, a student. I'm still in the making, yo. OAFP is a house of God. OAFP is a house of love. OAFP is a house of team spirit, team oneness, esprit de corps. I love myself looking around and seeing my wonderful people around. I am happy to be part of this train from my day one till now. My accent is based on Saamu Alajo, and the accent is Dotun's. I mean Dotun's accent. I have a kid. I have kids rather. One of my son, Jason. So maybe anytime I get home, he's always like relating to me in that same manner. Dad, bro, chee, nigga, you know that's the watchword, bro. And anytime I turn to, once someone just throw two fingers to me, I already know what they want, then I give it to them, then we. And I have a cousin in Ohio, United States. So anytime we talk, you know, we talk and we relate, and he tells me, bro, Saamu Alajo's gone viral, even right here in the Yankee. We watch it, bro. You're doing it, you're killing it, bro. And I said, let them know, bro, we're right here. Bro Sam, when I don't see this dude, I know he's up to some. This guy right here is a snitch. And what we do to snitches, we yank them up, bro. Give me the honor, bro.
My G, you've been with me for a very long time.
Damn. Bro Sam, my nigga, my connect, my G, top dog. Big blood. Bro Sam is a package that comes with a whole lot of goodies. You have chewing gum, you have sweet with different kind of flavor. We have strawberry, we have lemon. You know what I'm saying? So you can't actually, you know, it's a package, right? That is a package, right? And it comes with surprises. You can't actually place your finger on him. You don't understand. You can't plan for Bro Sam. because he's got his own device and his own methods of making things work. I can't categorically state how many episodes, but if I'm going to place it on percentage, I would say from 1 to 100, I have 80%, or 85 actually, 85. Yeah, sure. 100, 85. All the Saamu Alajo episodes, like Olamide said, every single was a hit back to back from episode 1 to 100. I'm telling you. But there's this one particular episode, I'm intrigued. I like watching it all the time. And that episode actually takes turn in town. Do you want to share me dotun? I ain't doing that, nigga. Do you want to fucking share me? Yeah, my sister, I know Akeremi. She was in club one day with her friend and Osby, and they were playing the song. She had to throw bottle up like, that's my bro. That's, you don't understand, like she wants to have the badge, the ID card. Like, do you actually think I'm joking? Who calls in club? Who make video calls in club? You don't understand. She want them to know that, no, this is my brother right here, nigga. Chee. Bro Sam, you know how you begged me before I follow these niggas here? Back in the United States, if you want to hear me talk, you pay a stack. You want to hear me sing, you pay 2 stacks. But this is coming from me, from my heart to you. It's an heart of love, bro. No regretting. But it's all about the moolah, nigga. It's all about the moolah, nigga. Ṣé rántí pé sọ̀kò fún mi? Mi ò gbàgbé o. But torí ìfẹ́ tí mo ní sí mo ṣe wá bíbá.
Are you fucking yeah me, Dodo?
I ain't doing that, nigga.
Are you fucking want to say yeah me, lójú àwọn ará?
That's not what I'm doing, bro.
You must be crazy, Dodo.
To the audience at home, we love you. We've always have you at heart at all time, and you are the real one. Why? Because you know that we are not watching you. We didn't see you laughing, but you laugh at our jokes, at our series, knowing that we cannot know you are there. Damn. A round of applause to you. To the crew member, no. Takes a whole lot of strength, yes, perseverance, and I'm happy prayer has been our watchword. It has been the key, because by the grace of God, before we start any shooting, we pray, and at the end of every shooting, we pray. So it has really worked for us. And to the casts, we thank God. We thank God so well and so much.
Ìtorí ẹ̀ ni mo ṣe ń sáré káàkiri nítorí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀. Ẹ wò bó ṣe ń wò bí mùsù yìí, èèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ gbẹran síwájú ẹ̀ ni o. Tẹ́ bá gbẹran síwájú ẹ̀ kò lè kú kan o. Ó lè gidi ni o. Adigunjalè gangan ló fẹ́ padà dà lọ́jọ́ wájú Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kárí bí ni. Ẹjọ́ mi wà mọ̀ bóyá wọ́n fi ṣe ni, bóyá ojú kòkòrò ni, ìyẹn ni òye mi. Tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n fi ṣe ni, ẹ bá wa gbàdúrà kó kúrò nínú ayé ẹ̀. Tó bá dẹ̀ jojú kòkòrò náà ni, ẹ bá wa gbàdúrà kó kúrò nínú ayé ẹ̀. Eléyìí ti pọ̀ gi ìtìjú ni. Wọ́n lè àtàṣe ẹ̀mọ́ mi, ìyẹn ló ń bí mi inú jù. Ìyẹ́ lomẹ́ni yẹ́ ń gbé. Nọ́ọ̀tì ni bàbá ẹ̀ ń gbé. Ọ̀dọ̀ mi nìkan lọ́fíìsì. Ẹ wòran báyìí. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ ṣàánú mi.
Ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí ó lágbára.
Ó lágbára la ṣe wà lórí òkè agbára.
Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ká rí ogun wọ́n fi olè ṣe ní. Nítorí wípé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìgbà ló máa ń jẹ́ pé tẹ́ni náà bá ja olè tán ló máa tó mọ̀ pé òun ń jalè.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, that is the problem.
Will you keep quiet? JBO, Jaguda Baba Ole.
Bro Saamu, àdúrà náà la máa gbà. Orí òkè agbára lẹ wà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ọlọ́run alágbára dẹ̀ wà níbí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Tó máa gbọ́ àdúrà wa.
Amen.
Èmi ni kọ́kọ́ ni máa dàgbà àdúrà yìí. Mo máa pe àwọn afàdúrà jagun. Tájọ́ ń fi àdúrà jagun lórí òkè yìí. Mo dẹ̀ ní ìgbàgbọ́ wípé tá a bá gba àdúrà náà, Ọlọ́run tó ń bẹ lórí òkè yìí ó máa gbọ́ wa.
Ẹ bá mi pè wọ́n. Àwọn tẹ́jọ́ máa gbàdúrà yẹn tó bá jáde ká ìnáwó ẹ jẹ́ bá mi tètè pè wọ́n. Mi ò mind, mo lè wà níbi àgọ́ 9 tó ti yẹ pè wọ́n ẹjọ́. Kádùrá ẹ yá gbà lórí òkè yìí ni o. Final one rèé o. Kádùrá ẹ gbà ni o. Wọ́n náà máa kún fàdúrà lẹ̀, máa kún fàdúrà lẹ̀. Orí òkè ló ti wà, máa gbàdúrà. Ọlọ́run ṣe ìyanu. Gbogbo abẹ́ ọ̀parun yẹn ló ti máa yí lọ yí bọ̀. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sà?
Brasa. Sá. Abẹ́ bá mi rí fóònù.
Àjọ ń lo fóònù kan náà mi rí fóònù. Ṣé kò ṣe kó dẹ̀ wà ní mission house? Mi ìbá fóònù. Báíbù nìkan la bá ń bí àtago. Ẹ jẹ́ fẹ́ fi pé àwọn tí ẹjọ́ máa gbàdúrà tó máa fi ṣẹ́gun ayé ẹ̀ ni. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ayé ẹ̀ pé kó má jalè mọ́.
Àpò ni mo fi sí.
Ẹjọ́ ẹ má bínú. Ẹ má bínú. Ẹjọ́ ẹ má bínú. Tó bá jẹ́ àwọn tí ẹ fẹ́ jọ gbàdúrà kógun ayé mi lè ṣẹlẹ̀ fẹ́ fi pé ẹjọ́ ẹ gbà.
Mo dáràn. Tó bá wá pè wọ́n tán, kó tún dá padà fún ẹ. Jọ̀tú! O ti jí fóònù pásọ̀ lórí òkè. Fóònù ìdènà fẹ́ fi pé àwọn tó máa ṣẹ́gun fẹ́ yẹ. Ogun láre. Dádì, bó ṣe ń nà sí ìyẹn gbà ó lè ṣe jí máìdì ẹ.
Ẹ ṣé sà.
Ẹ ṣé. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́, ẹ kú ọjọ́ mẹ́ta. Ẹ kàn sọ pọ́jọ́ kan pẹ̀lú ní sà. Ẹ kú ọjọ́ mẹ́ta. Ẹ jọ ẹ máa wo mi báyìí pa àti rírà tipẹ́. Ẹ ṣé sà. Yes sà, mo ti ń lọ ni. Mo ti ń lọ sà.
Lórí òkè. Lórí òkè agbára. Ẹ dìde bẹ́yẹn kẹ́ lọ bá ọkọ yín. Tẹ́ bá ti yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ yín tán pẹ̀lú kẹ́ wá padà wá. Óyá. Ẹ ti ń pẹ́ jù. Óyá. Ẹ kẹsẹ̀ yín máa tẹ̀lé ra wọn.
Dọ̀tún my nigga.
Bro Sam.
How are you?
I'm so happy.
My G of life.
Bro Sam.
So you two, you are here.
I was scared. I thought I was alone, scared and cold.
No, we're together here. But I am your senior here.
I know.
I am your elder here.
See, bro, I have so many songs. I want to go to the studio. I want to sing to the whole world. You know my mission. You know my vision.
Oh, my jeez. I will help you.
Bro Sam.
I will help you. I didn't know you died.
I died, my mommy.
I didn't know you died. You are also in heaven.
I'm in heaven.
No, what?
I'm happy to see you.
You're happy to see me?
Yes.
I am your boss here now.
Of course.
I will help your music career.
Thank you.
You have a lot of people that you will sing for.
Thank you, Bro Sam.
They'll be waiting for you.
Thank you, Bro Sam.
They're ready to listen to your music.
Thank you, Bro Sam.
Dọ̀tún.
Thank you.
Máa lọ nù náà. Lọ́jọ́ náà kò dẹ̀ kọrin fún wa. Ìwọ sọ fẹ́ mi pé o fẹ́ fún mi ní àwọ̀dù ṣọpọnà. Ṣọpọnà worldwide.
Bro Sam, it was out of a clean conscience.
O lọ ṣe fún mi ní ṣọpọnà. Ẹ fún mi ní àtúnlùṣe, o fún mi ṣọpọnà.
Bro Sam, I'm sorry.
Dọ̀tún.
Bro Sam,
Lọ́jọ́ go and journal.
Bro Sam, I'm sorry, please.
Go inside the fire and journal.
Bro Sam.
Malo.
Go and fucking journal. You are mad. Wami, come back here. Come back here. Come back here. Turn. Go and fucking journal.
Oṣù bá tán mo fẹ́ gbowó mi.